It's also important to try and be strategic about how you're using these shots. Um, the shots being like as I was saying before, it's like if you're reading a comic, every single panel is composed the exact same way, and the characters are in the exact same pose, it's going to get boring really fast. So you gotta vary it up a bit. It's also important to try and be strategic about how you're using these shots. The shots that you're using are actually dependent on the dialogue and the actions. So how do you panel actions? There are different kinds of actions. You could have some sort of action sequence like your characters are in a fight, or something more trivial and subtle actions like they're interacting with something, picking something up, grabbing a chair, whatever. When I compose comic panels and there's a mixture of dialogue and action, there always is, even if it's some slice of life type thing, there's always some kind of action. Maybe I'll have a bunch of dialogue varying up from panel to panel, gradually zooming into various characters, and then those panel compositions sort of get interrupted by some form of action. So now we're zooming back out, so you can see what the action is, and you might end up zooming in gradually from panel to panel again. It's situational. You gotta be strategic about it.